Goko nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. Thutha wa Kimani Ichung'wa kuga ati Kiambu ti part ya Mount Kenya region na ati yagirwo gukorwo a region on its own, mundu ti Moses Kuria ni amucokeirie. Na text ino ya Moses Kuria ni ngwenda tumirore kwa undani muno tondu Moses Kuria aronekana ni ahingukite maitho. Moses Kuria acokeirie Kimani akamwira o kana Moses Kuria arauga o. Moses Kuria arauga atiriri ati kwina mundu okite akauga Kiambu ti part ya Mount Kenya, ati mundu ucio ohetwo ahuana ati arauga mundu wi thiini wa diaper ihuire kioro niguo areta the famous Kimani. Mundu ti Moses Kuria akauga Kiambu is part of Mount Kenya na gutire kundu irathie. Moses Kuria agacoka akongera o, ladies and gentlemen, ati thiini wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 kura ciothe cia Mount Kenya, kura milioni 6 cigathie irebe-ini rimwe, regardless ati Mount Kenya na gukorwo na president ona ingikana gukorwo na deputy, kura ciothe cigathie irebe-ini rimwe. Moses Kuria kaenda akongera kauga in the next 92 weeks iria citigarite tu election, andu maikare thi na popcorns meyonere because it's about to go down. Guys, yoyo uria Moses Kuria augite ni ndamuri na gitwe kinene muno. Musubscribe thini wa channel ino Kikuyu podcast na muhinya notification bell. Gugwa Kikuyu podcast ndakurehera maundu mothe ma politics maria marekika thini wa Mount Kenya region. It's podcast number 1 thini wa Mount Kenya region. Moses Kuria augite o during Jomo Kenyatta's rule, augite edekite KEMYAT ni Kenyatta's ndio ni kiahuthiri kiugo Kenyatta's. During Jomo Kenyatta's rule, Kiambu suffered the ignominy of a cabo infamously referred to as Kiambu Mafia. Dera muthikirie paragraph ino egi. Now there is a new Kiambu Mafia in diapers, raised with poo-poo, which is claiming that Kiambu will not be in Mount Kenya region. Now there is a new Kiambu Mafia, real mafia. Kimani. Now there is a new Kiambu Mafia in diapers, raised with poo-poo, which is claiming that Kiambu will not be in Mount Kenya region. Akende kauga, let me state categorically that Kiambu will always be part of Mount Kenya, and not an isolated Mount Kenya, but one that will be a proud part and parcel of our wonderful nation Kenya. Akende kauga, nendele muthikire patino muno, and for avoidance of doubt, that Mount Kenya will put all the 6 million votes in one basket in 2027. Maigwa, and for avoidance of doubt, that Mount Kenya will put all their 6 million votes in one basket in 2027. Meaning, Kimani rero Ruto dagete kindu kuma Mount Kenya region, because already Mount Kenya region has decided. Ogo niguo Moses Kuria arauga in short, Ruto dagetere kindu kuma thini wa Mount Kenya region. Mwetu Moses Kuria akendea kauga they will do so unconditionally without demanding to be given the presidency, the running mate, nor prime cabinet secretary. It is now clear some of these positions have the same value as recycled toilet papers. So let's relax and chew popcorn for another 92 weeks. Moses Kuria nyariti na augete Mount Kenya region is Kiambu is part of Mount Kenya. Ona meki atakanatia Kiambu will remain part of Mount Kenya region. Kule kuria deda kuria atongoria aya a Kiambu tondu ni kuria makirite makahuna ni guthebera mathebera andu makiuga Mount Kenya ti part, Kiambu ti part ya Mount Kenya region. Kiuria giakwa ni giki, Bare no nimekotana nayo. Remember, it's a big fight. How will they isolate Kiambu from Mount Kenya region? Mena ito miracle. Do they know that adwa Kiambu aike akura matiraramika? Do they know aike akura Kiambu? In fact, matirada regime eno. Do they know that majority of them alemana ugogo ne makainuka mwaka wa 2027? Eno divide and rule eno malakedia. It's dead on arrival. Odo malakedia. Guys, it's dead on arrival. Otile odutoyo ogwikika. And you see for yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Mabia halo matekotana nayo. For your information, muthenya wa ira andu a Mount Kenya mathi kure State House mairo ngiri kuratuika na 10 iria marereirwo no kuringana na methu ati Karugo Thang'wa na text yo ndamwekereire muthenya wa ira mairo ngiri 3 kiriki ne gikorio niki andu a Mount Kenya mathi kure State House niyo maraheo bia nyiki gukira region iriki. That tells you Mount Kenya is very important. Ogeririkana hego mutongoria buri acega buri-ini wa Kenya agithie Western agithie kuria kungi ikambaine gutiri kundu aitire mbeca nyingi ta Mount Kenya region. Niki he can't believe kura milioni 6 cigathi ireba-ini rimwe. Kura ya Raila ndiriho na kura iria onire stiriho na riu andu aria meyandikithitie gugaikia kura. It's like 6 million votes. He can't believe that. Icio kura stigakorwo ireba-ini riake. Kurikava kura milioni 6. Yarabia na kura milioni 2. Andu ake kuma Rift Valley like 2.5 million. Agigakinya hau 6 million. Atakuwa amesweta. I remember he is very unpopular. Nekyo urona andu a Mount Kenya makigeria ku entaiso na bia. Makigeria kuheo bia nyingi. But the fact is jogu ndengithikwo na muguongo wayo. Na gutiri hingo Mugikuyu angiona bia asitige. Kamwira jogu ehurukite kana ethikitwo. Miguongo yapaga gwika atia kurutwo tondu ina value. Okay? So, from my point of view, whatever they are trying to do, it's dead on arrival. From that text, from that message, Moses Kuria has shown clearly that Dere Mwenao must go. Na atigire wira ucio with a reason. No akoro a more, but from that text, elonania clearly Dere Mwenao ucio na ni ahingukite maitho na ni athikiririe ground akaigua ground ya Mount Kenya region ndingithura mundu ti must go. Ni athikiririe ground na nikyo urona akiandika maundu maya because he knows bara iria marambiriirie ni bara matangihotana nayo ona nini. Kugania kana guthitũkania Mount Kenya Kiambu na Mount Kenya, he knows ucio ni undu utangikika. It's dead on arrival. Oya marageria gwika ni undu utangikika. Moses Kuria knows ni athikiririe ground. For your information, he knows ino thikari gutie kundu irathi. And by the way, siasa utikanagia thiini wa ngoro citu guthie na mbere no mone Moses Kuria manyitanete na Gachagua na United Opposition. It's very possible. Siasa ndukanagia thiini wa ngoro yaku. It's very possible manyitane na mbere. It's very possible. So that's how things are. Na nikunyitanite muno reke twete tuone uria maundu me gwikara tondu thiini wa politics maundu mathi na mbere o mahiuhite o gwakia maundu mathi mahiuhite. Thank you muno ladies and gentlemen. Ngai wa matuine amrathime. It is what it is. Na mutikariganirwo ni subscribe thiini wa channel ino ya Kikuyu Podcast. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for your support.